Hey, it's Kylie with WTI.
And you just have to check out these adorable women's cotton bib overalls from COZYPOIN. These overalls are awesome, and while you can wear them in the summer months, I also find that they look great with a long sleeve shirt and a sweater to wear in the winter or the fall. The jumpsuit is really comfortable. The wide legs make them easy to move around in. The straps are really nice because you can adjust the size on them. You can either hook them in the button on the front of the overalls, or if you want to hide them, you can hook them in the back button. I'm 5'6" and I got the medium size, and I feel like these overalls fit me just right. I like the length of the legs, they hit right at my ankles, and they're not too long, so they don't drag on the floor at all. The jumpsuit comes in so many different colors. I would love to add a few more of these to my closet so I can have multiple colors available. I also appreciate that these overalls have multiple pockets. There's one in front and one on each side, and that just makes it nice for me to hold any of my belongings and carry them with me. So if you're looking for a super cute pair of overalls to add to your closet, then you have got to check out these cotton bib overalls from COZYPOIN. They're lightweight and casual, and they're just really comfortable to wear for any occasion. And that's my point of view.